You ever look at a BMW M4 and think, man, this car looks amazing, but what is it actually going to cost me to own? Yeah, you're not alone. Let's be honest, the sticker price is just the start. You're not just buying horsepower and a sleek German chassis, you're buying an entire lifestyle with a price tag that sneaks up in ways most people don't expect. Today, we're diving deep into the real cost of owning a 2026 BMW M4 in the USA, and we're going to break down everything from depreciation to insurance, maintenance, fuel, and even financing. And yeah, we're keeping it grounded in real US market numbers so you know exactly what you're signing up for. This is Apex Motors, where smart car buying decisions meet real-world numbers. Here's the deal. The 2026 BMW M4 starts around $80,000 for the base coupe model, and if you're talking competition trim with all the carbon fiber, adaptive suspension, and tech goodies, you're looking at closer to $95,000 or more before taxes and fees. But what people rarely talk about is how quickly this number balloons once you start factoring in the hidden costs of ownership. Let's start with depreciation, because this is where a lot of buyers get surprised. BMWs have always held value reasonably well compared to, say, a Tesla or a new luxury SUV, but the M4 is a performance car, and performance cars tend to take a hit in the first few years. On average, you can expect a new M4 to lose roughly 30% of its value in the first 3 years. So that $95,000 competition model could realistically be worth only about $66,500 after 3 years. That's a chunk of cash evaporating faster than a summer ice cream cone, and it's something every buyer should seriously factor into the total cost of ownership. Next up is insurance, which for a high-performance vehicle like the M4 can be surprisingly steep. Based on US averages, a typical driver in their 30s with a clean record can expect insurance premiums anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 per year. And yeah, that's not cheap. Factors like location, driving history, and coverage level can push that number even higher, so if you're in a bigger city or tend to rack up miles, brace yourself. It's one of those invisible costs that sneaks into your budget without you even realizing it. Now let's talk about maintenance and repairs, because the M4 isn't your everyday Camry. Routine maintenance on a BMW M4 can run anywhere from $1,200 to $1,800 annually if you follow BMW's recommended service schedule, which includes oil changes, brake pad replacements, and tire rotations. And that's just the basics. Performance tires for the M4 are expensive, often $300 to $400 per tire, and they wear out faster than standard tires because of the car's power and weight. Factor in brakes, which can cost $1,500 to $2,000 for a full set if you need to replace rotors and pads, and suddenly your maintenance budget is climbing quickly. BMWs are built to last, but let's be real, performance comes at a cost. Fuel is another area where owners feel the pinch. The 2026 M4 competition packs 503 horsepower from a twin-turbo inline-six, and while it's a beast on the road, it's not kind to your gas tank. Average fuel economy hovers around 18 miles per gallon city and 25 highway, which means for the average American driver putting on about 12,000 miles a year, you're looking at roughly $2,500 to $3,000 annually in premium gas. And yes, you want premium. This is not the time to cheap out and run regular fuel if you want to keep your engine healthy. Then there's financing. If you're not paying cash, and let's be honest, most people aren't, your financing costs matter. At a 6% interest rate on a 60-month loan for $95,000, your monthly payment is roughly $1,835, and you'll pay about $16,100 in interest over the life of the loan. If you're clever with your down payment or score a better interest rate, you can shave this number down, but it's still a significant chunk of cash that should be accounted for in your ownership calculations. Let's take a quick pause here, because it's worth highlighting. Add up depreciation, insurance, maintenance, fuel, and financing, and the first-year cost of owning a BMW M4 easily exceeds $20,000 over the sticker price. And that number grows each year depending on how you drive it and where you live. And this is exactly why we at Apex Motors always stress looking beyond the MSRP. The car itself is stunning, but the financial reality is something every buyer should be crystal clear on before signing the paperwork. Here's something else to consider: registration, taxes, and state fees. Depending on your state, you could be looking at an additional $1,500 to $3,000 upfront for registration and sales tax alone. States like California, New York, or New Jersey tend to be on the higher end, while states like Texas or Florida might be slightly lower, but either way, it's another invisible cost that stacks up fast. And if you're leasing instead of buying, expect some additional insurance requirements and potential mileage penalties that could make the deal less attractive than it initially appears. Now, let's be honest about something most buyers gloss over: the opportunity cost. That $95,000 could be invested, saved, or spent elsewhere. Over 5 years, with all the costs considered, you might end up spending $140,000 to $150,000 total to own a BMW M4. That's a serious commitment, and it's why a lot of smart buyers compare this with slightly less aggressive cars or certified pre-owned options, where depreciation has already taken the biggest hit. And trust me, the performance thrill is still there without burning nearly as much cash. Let's not forget the joy factor though. Driving an M4 is an experience few other cars in this segment can touch. The twin-turbo 6 sings beautifully, the chassis is razor-sharp, and it's perfectly balanced for everyday usability or a weekend blast on a back road. But the question isn't just, do I love it? It's, can I comfortably afford it? And that's why understanding these costs in detail makes you a smarter buyer. And hey, I want to hear from you. What's your take on balancing dream cars with practical ownership costs? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this conversation is way too interesting to leave one-sided. Finally, let's wrap this up with the takeaway. Owning a 2026 BMW M4 in the USA is absolutely thrilling, but it's not just a monthly payment, it's insurance, maintenance, tires, brakes, fuel, taxes, and depreciation. When you put all the pieces together, you're looking at a serious financial commitment that goes way beyond the sticker price. But if you plan carefully, budget smartly, and understand the numbers before buying, you can enjoy the car without nasty surprises. And that's exactly what Apex Motors is here for, helping you make informed, confident decisions in the high-stakes world of automotive buying. If you want more real-world ownership breakdowns, honest reviews, and tips to make smarter car buying choices that actually protect your wallet, hit that subscribe button now and join the Apex Motors community. Because when it comes to cars, knowledge isn't just power, it's savings, peace of mind, and the confidence to enjoy your ride without regrets.